Hello everyone. Start off by drawing numbers from 1 to 8. Now starting off with the number 6, draw this little package. Add a bow on one side of it. Now moving on to the number 4, make this pizza-like shape out of it. As for the number 2, draw the heart first and then draw a cake underneath it. Now moving on to the number 1, add a cake-like object at the bottom and then on top of it, draw some cylindrical sticks. Moving on from this to number 3, draw a little cupcake out of it using the top as the icing. Lastly, moving on to number 5, make 2 cherries out of it as such. Now moving on to the number 7, make a drink out of it and then add the straw as well as some bubbles to it. Moving on to the number 8, make a bunch of grapes as such. Add the top to it as well. Next, start off by drawing this rectangular shape and then attach it to an opposite V. Then underneath it, draw on a little house. Add the windows to it as well, and then in the front you may add a somewhat circular window. Right beside it you may join a little fence to it. Behind the fence you may add some bushes and then draw on the bark of a tree. Draw on the rest of the tree as well. To make it look all the more better, add more branches to your tree and then add multiple puffy leaves. In the top you may add the sun and then add dashes to signify the rays of the sun. Now above everything you may add some clouds. Then add a pathway to the door of the house. Then begin to color in your drawing. We have chosen to use orange for the top and a lighter shade of orange as well, green for the trees. Next, start off by drawing this ovular shape and then line it outside with these spikes. We are drawing a dragon fruit, that is, a cut-out dragon fruit. Now, once you are done with the outline, begin to make dots on the inside as such. Once again, once you are done with this, take a green marker and then begin to color the outsides as such. Color it in purplish pink as well on the outside. Once you are done with this, there you have your dragon fruit. Now take an orange marker and then roughly color up the lines of a tree as such. You may do the same with a red color marker as well as a yellow color marker. Once you have done all this, take a black marker or a dark brown marker and then make the bark of each of these trees. In the bottom, you may take a green marker and then add the ground to it. Add birds at the top. Next, start off by drawing 4 trees on a sheet of paper. Then, add the head of a bunny rabbit along with its hands and its cute little mouth and belly. Make it look like it is holding a carrot as such. For our second tree, we will be making the head of a rat. Add the whiskers, connect both the sides of the tree, and then make an ovular shape to draw the body. Add a tail to it as well. For our third tree, we will be drawing a little monkey out of it. This is what it should look like. Add on the body using the bottom half of the tree and then add the tail to it as well. Color all of this in once you are done. As for our fourth tree, make a little fish out of it as such. Add on the fins as well as the tail at the back. Then, in order to signify it all the more, add some bubbles at the top. Next, taking some graph paper, add lines on it as such. Connect the lines of the red marker first and then move on to the blue side of it. Make 2 hearts as such. Now, taking a white sheet of paper, trace out the shape of a girl. Start off with her hair, make her hair have bangs. Then move on to the upper accessories as such. Connect the top of her hair and then give her a little braid as well. Do this on either side. Add a little smiley face to her, and once you are done with the face, proceed on to draw the rest of her body. We are starting off by drawing her dress. Add a big bow right in the center and then draw on the poofy little skirt of her dress. We are adding multiple folds to it as well. Now move on and draw the legs. Next, add the sleeves of the hands. We have added very large sleeves to it. Add the lines of it as well and then show the hands peeking out of it. Once you are done with this, add more hair. Fold over a piece of paper and then begin to draw on it. Draw this curvy triangular shape on it and then draw the top. You will be making a carrot. Add the lines of the carrot as well as such. Now open up the paper and then close the ends of the carrot. Draw a circular shape in the middle of it and then draw eyes. In the eyes, color most of it in except for 2 circles. This will make it look like the eyes are glistening. Add a cute little nose to it and then add the mouth. Make it look like it is smiling. Open it and close it as you please. Thank you for watching.